Hello, we are from Group E Lysosome. We'll explain about gene patenting bioethics. Gene patent is an exclusive right of a gene given by government to inventors. Patent could be used for 20 years from the date of patent in commercial settings and non-commercial settings. Patent is granted by national court and won't allow people to use it without permission as companies have sole ownership for the patent. There are few inventions available for patent, which is DNA sequence, RNA sequence, cell lines, and transgenic animal models. The first patent on a bacterium successfully passed by Supreme Court, ruled by Diamond v. Chakrabarti in 1980, which granted the bacterium DNA method as they stated that a life form could be patented. The patent is shared by two universities to produce useful proteins for functional drugs. The next case is in 1977 when University of California applied patents for insulin and growth hormone. It took them 10 years for both of it to be patented. The purpose of gene patent is to cover for diagnostics, process, functional use, and composition of matter. The requirements will focus more on the patent's credibility, which must be new or novel, involve in inventive step, and must be industrially applicable. And this is the process for gene patent. There are pros and cons of gene patenting, which is help to develop treatments, encourage research, provide opportunities, and company investments. However, there are cons onto it, which is hidden research due to monopolization of genes, thus slowing medical results. Moreover, people think that gene patenting is considered as human slavery. First example is about successful gene patent, which is erythropoietin that is cloned and developed as Epogen, which is successfully protected by US patents. Epogen has generated over $663 million in 2009. The second example is about failed gene patent by Myriad Genetics because their genes failed to produce functional proteins and controversy arises due to the manipulation of genes. These are the medicine used from the genes patent, which is insulin, erythropoietin, and human growth hormone. Next is the conclusion on bioethics by Nurin Aimi.
In conclusion, we as a group have come to an agreement that we are against gene patenting, as there are several ethical issues that we need to emphasize. Firstly, DNA is a product of nature. Nothing new is created when discovering a gene, and there is no intellectual property to protect, so patents cannot be granted. Next, one of the primary concerns of gene patenting is that they will make it more difficult to perform research. Therefore, this will delay the discovery and development of therapeutics and diagnostics. Lastly, gene patenting leads to monopolization of genes. Companies that hold genes have exclusive rights to them and may decide to not allow other companies to look at these genes. This may lead to monopoly and foster a secretive culture among research companies.
That's all from us. Thank you.